Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the scope of variables within functions in Python. So in our previous videos we have seen how we can declare a function with no argument. We have seen how we can declare a function with multiple argument. We have seen certain example of lambda function, how we can use the lambda function, and we have also seen how we can use the recursive function in Python. In this video we would be focusing on the scope of variables within the function in Python. So when we are using user defined function in Python, we have to make sure that we understand the scope of variable in a program. The variables which are defined in the main program can be accessed by all the function defined in the program, and hence the computation can be done using those variables inside the body of function. But the variables that are defined inside the body of a program is local to that Python program and it's not accessible by another variable within the program. So let's take a simple example and understand or show the scope of variable. Okay, so let's say that we have a variable total equal to 1000. Okay, and we are defining a function discount, saying that discount offer. In this function we are not going to take any argument. We are simply saying discount equal to 300. Okay, and then we are printing the total bill amount is this total minus this discount. Okay, and then we are calling this discount function. Okay, sorry, this discount offer function. So if I run this, you can see that we have the total bill amount is 700. Okay, let me correct the spelling of the amount. So total bill amount is 700. So in this program, the discount offer can access total variable which is defined over here. Okay, this total variable was declared in the main program, hence the function executes the task of subtracting the discount from the total value, and it was able to print the result which is 700. Now if I basically, after this discount offer, if I, let's say if I say total minus discount, and if I run this, you can see that we are getting name error. Discount is not defined. Okay, and why is that? Because this discount variable is local to this function and the main program does not know about this discount variable. Now let's take another example. So let's say that we have two different function. Okay, and we are trying to access the variable that is present in both of those two functions. Will it work or not? Okay, so let's say that I have a total variable in our main program saying total equal to 100, or let's say 1000. Now if I define a function offers, in this I'm going to declare a variable discount equal to 300. Okay, now we are going to define another function bill, and with this function I'm going to print the total bill is, I'm going to say total, and I'm going to again print saying that the total discount is, and I'm going to give this discount. Okay, now I'm going to call this offer function and I'm going to call this bill function. Now I want you to pause this video for a minute and think what would be the output. Okay, so if we run this program, we will definitely get a name error. Okay, so let me run this first. If I run this, I'm getting the name error. Okay, this is because of this spelling mistake. Let me correct this, and again let me run it, but still we will get the name error. So let me run this again. So we ran it again and we are getting the name error saying that discount is not defined. So when we ran this program, we are getting this name error saying that discount is not defined. So as in this program, discount is a variable which is defined inside the offer function. Hence the scope of this discount variable is limited to this function only. And as we can see that the error has been generated when we execute the bill function. The task of the bill function is to show the total bill amount and the discount value, right? However, since the total is defined in the main program over here, the bill function can access this variable, but the bill function cannot access this discount variable because this discount variable is local to this offer function. So we can solve this problem by changing the scope of the variable discount over here. Okay, so what we can do is that we can simply declare this discount variable as a global variable. Okay, now if I run this, you will see that we have the output. Total bill is 1000 and the total discount is 3000. So over here, moment we declare the discount variable as global variable, the bill function is executed properly and the result is printed. This is because the variable discount is defined global in offer function, which means that this variable can be accessed from anywhere within this entire program. Hence the bill function can access the discount variable along with the total variable defined in the main program. So with these two examples, I hope that you can understand that how the scope of variable works within function in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.